Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5. Subject Environmental Studies Part 2. Topic From Shelter to Village Settlements, which is the revision part. So let's start. We saw that Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature because they wore, freezing means very cold, they wore leather clothing and made use of fire, as you all can see in the picture. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animal hides to erect tents inside animal skin to erect tents inside the caves for warmth. Erect means to build. Wherever necessary, they also built huts in the open. In the Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens had established camps, a place with Homo sapiens stayed temporarily in huts and tents all over the world. They built huts all over the world. At that time, the climate was getting warmer. Everywhere, the environment was changing. And with it, the diet of Homo sapiens was also undergoing change. By the time of the Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoths, a large extinct elephant with long curved tusks, were on the way to extinction due to the changing environment and also because they were hunted on a very large scale. That is why Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing. He also began to depend more on hunting smaller animals like the wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep. The changed diet pattern enabled the group of Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. There they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. They would find out the best season for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage. By observation, they discovered the best hunting grounds. Grounds means places. For these reasons, they stayed in one place for longer periods. They cleared jungles by felling trees and set up their seasonal camp in the clearings. The way of life of humans in the New Stone Age was completely different from that of humans in the Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age. During this period, humans became producers of food grains. The beginning of cultivation is a characteristic of the culture of the New Stone Age. In the hunting and gathering way of life, it is necessary to keep moving all the time. However, agriculture makes it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. Hence, there is no need to keep moving constantly. Moreover, the nature of agricultural work made it necessary to stay in one place. Therefore, people established permanent village settlements and lived in them generation after generation. Question number 1. Why did the Neanderthals live in caves? Answer. The Neanderthals lived in caves because at that time the climate in Europe was extremely cold. Second, what did the Homo sapiens harvest during the Middle Stone Age? Answer. During the Middle Stone Age, the Homo sapiens harvested wild grains. Third, what did agriculture make possible? Answer. Agriculture made it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. Fourth, which animals was on their way to extinction? Answer. Mammoths. Fifth, how did the Neanderthals protect themselves from the freezing temperature? Answer. The Neanderthals wore leather clothes and made use of fire. They used animal hides to erect tents inside the caves for warmth. Thus, the Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature. Sixth, what did the Neanderthals use to erect tents inside the cave? Answer. Animal hides.